Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add product in Shopify. So simply what you need to do, just you have to understood that this is you have to log in through your admin page, and simply after that click on the product option. So here you can see add a product option is available here. Just you have to click on the add product. So wait for a few seconds. So here you can type the product title here, like I am typing the name cell phones. So simply here you can type the description. You can also change the font of description, and here you can also add the media file like images, videos of your product, and you can use all these options. So here you can also add the price, and here you can choose the category. So finally you can see our product is created. So in this way you can easily add a product in Shopify. So finally here you can see it's added in our product list.